Hi, Steve Chrysler here from Bookkeeping Life. Today I'm going to tell you how to get bookkeeping clients with little to no budget. You do not have to spend a lot of money to get bookkeeping clients. So today I'm going to tell you 3 ways. But first, if you like these videos that I'm putting out, if you could like them and subscribe to my channel, then you get all the latest videos that I put out. I'd really appreciate it. It tells me I'm doing something right and tells me what you like. So today is those 3 things that you can do to get bookkeeping clients with little to no budget are: number 1, Craigslist. Craigslist is extremely powerful. I've used Craigslist. I couldn't tell you the percentage of my clients that I've gotten from Craigslist is probably over 50%. So I've used Craigslist for over 10 years now, and all up until just recently it was free. Now it's $5 for a post, which is still almost free, and those posts last for 30 days. So it's still an extremely valuable resource to getting bookkeeping clients. So go to Craigslist in your area, wherever city or town you live in, and under the services section, you'll want to go into in the financial section. So it'll be Craigslist, your city or town, services, and then the financial section. And then you want to, if you don't have a Craigslist account, just create a account. It's real easy to do, and then post up your ad in the financial section of the services. And like I said, it's $5 now. They just recently started that earlier this year, I think it was, but they last for 30 days. So you could make a post even once a week, and you would have several on Craigslist at one time, and your newest ones will be closer to the top. So it's really easy to do and not expensive. And here's a little trick that you can do too, is if you want to have a few more posts on Craigslist, if you live in a town that is by another town, or a city by another city, you can post in that city as well. So not only post in your town or city, post in the one that's close by, if you have one close by. If you live kind of in a city or town that's out by itself, then that might not apply to you. But if you live in, say, St. Paul, and what's the other town? I can't even think of it right now. But anyways, if in my case, I live in a city that's close to other cities, so I used to. I don't anymore, because I'm happy with the level of business that I have. But when I was trying to really grow my business, I was posting in about 5 to 7 different cities, all close to me, because they're all really close. So anyways, so that's a little trick that you can do with Craigslist, and it's very inexpensive. So that's number 1, Craigslist. Number 2 is Yelp for businesses. It's free. They will, one warning is, they will call you, they will hound you, because they want you to buy their paid advertising, but you don't have to. So check out Yelp for businesses, not just Yelp, but Yelp for businesses. You can create an account for free, and you can claim your business, and you can use it, like this is my home office, and that's all I have. I used to have other offices that I paid too much money for, but I've gotten smart over the years. This is my home office. You can use your home office as your location. It's okay. So just claim your business on Yelp for Business, and you can post pictures. You can fill the whole thing out about you and your business, put your website, phone number on there, put a picture of your logo on there, and then over time, if you already have clients, ask them to post a review for you, and then if not, then over time you'll get clients from that, and you'll get reviews, and it's like a snowball. You'll start to get reviews, and then people will see it. They'll see that you have positive reviews, and your business will grow from that. When people type in your city plus bookkeeping, your business will pop up, and they'll see it, and then they'll call you and hopefully you get them as a client. So that's number 2. So number 1, Craigslist. Number 2, Yelp for businesses. So far you've spent $5, right? Not bad. Number 3 is networking. So networking can be, that's really a general term. So it can be a lot of different things. You might think networking groups, that is an option. Some of those do cost money. You could even start your own networking group. And one, you might start with, you could start your own networking group, contact a real estate agent, see if they're in the group. They're always looking for groups to join. Insurance people, they are. So you could literally start your own networking group. But that's, or you can join one that's already in existence that needs a bookkeeper. So that's a good option too. Those usually cost a little bit of money. So that's an option. But also what I mean by networking, and I mean this in I never really joined networking groups. It was never my thing. They were too early in the morning under fluorescent lights, and I'd have to get all dialed up and wear some nicer clothes than a t-shirt. So it was never really my thing. But what I also mean by networking is get out there, put on your bookkeeping hat, and mentally become a bookkeeper. Have hobbies, live your life, get out there, join some clubs, whatever you're into. So I'm into jiu-jitsu and yoga, and so and through those I've met hundreds of people, and and what happens over time is you don't have to sell yourself. Just what happens over time, you just meet people, you become friends with people, and through that process they end up finding out what you do, and they know they need some help, or they know somebody that needs some help. But so it's not a reason to have a hobby. It's not. I wouldn't say join these groups to get business, but you start living your life, start enjoying your life, getting some hobbies if you don't already, and if you're wearing that bookkeeping hat, you are a bookkeeper. Become a bookkeeper, and then when people ask, what do you do? I say, you're a bookkeeper. You have your own bookkeeping business. So that one takes a little bit longer time to develop than, say, a Craigslist ad or a post on Yelp. But that's more of a long-term thing, and it's also living your life. The whole point of working for yourself and having your own business is so that you can live your life. So you can start doing that right now, and then the byproduct, a beautiful byproduct of that, is you'll get business from it too. So a big advantage there. So to run them down again, check out Craigslist. Under the services section, under the financial section is where you want to post an ad on there, and this is all. So this is really the advertising piece to getting clients. Advertising doesn't mean spending money. It doesn't have to mean that. But with the proper branding prior to advertising, make sure you have a good logo and website, which I talk about in different videos. But with the proper branding, you can do this really inexpensive or free advertising. Those two, branding plus advertising, equals clients. It happens. It's happened to me. It's still happening to me. So, and I've been doing this for about 20 years now. So, and a lot of things, if you go back 20 years, the internet didn't even really exist back then. So, lots of things have changed, rolled with the changes. You got to keep rolling with the changes. And these options may change over time, but for now and for the last 10 years or so, these things have worked for me, and they still are working for me, so they can definitely work for you. So check those out: Craigslist, Yelp for businesses, and start living your life. Network, get out there, meet people. All right, good luck. If you like this, like it, share it, subscribe so you can get all my videos. And if you have any questions, you can email me at steve@bookkeepinglife.com, or just leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll respond. I'm always checking those and responding. So have a great day. Start networking, start advertising, start getting clients. Have a good day. Hi everyone. If you'd like to learn more, I have a free webinar where I teach you how to quickly set up your own home-based bookkeeping business so you can start earning that extra $1,000 a month or more. In that webinar, you'll learn my step-by-step formula to getting bookkeeping clients. You'll learn how to set up your new bookkeeping business from scratch so you have more control over your time and your life and many more freedoms that come with it. So if you'd like to sign up for that free webinar, just click the link in the description below and I'll see you there. Also hit the subscribe button.